Hello, ladies. I hope you are all doing well, that you are in great spirits, and that your day is super fantabulous. Coach Shania K here again. Hold on to your seats, lady, because today is one of the most important videos you're going to be watching over the course of these next 5 days. Okay? Today I'm going to talk about building wealth. Building wealth in the sense that it's super important to your well-being. Why is it super important to your well-being? I don't know about you, but some time ago, I remember just stressing out constantly about my bills, stressing out constantly about living paycheck to paycheck, stressing out constantly about what the future was going to be like. You know, having financial stability for me personally was super important because I have a family, okay? So when I began my wellness business, I started really diving deep into personal development, business development, and reading books and listening to podcasts. And there was one commonality that I found across the board. And you can research this yourselves and find that if you emulate the people who are wealthy, and by wealthy I mean millionaires, billionaires, they share a commonality across the board. And that's that they have multiple streams of income. What does that mean? They are not just relying on one paycheck. They are not relying on one form of income coming into that bank account. So if between you and your husband there's only 2 streams of income, the probability of you reaching wealth at a younger age is not very high. So across the board, these millionaires on average have 7 streams of income, and 2 to 3 of those streams of income are passive and residual. What does that mean? I'll break it down. In my wellness business, I fortunately was blessed to have a stream of clients, but I began to realize there's a max capacity on how much I can make consulting clients. Why is that? I have only so many hours in the week. Let's say I dedicate 40 hours to clients. That's only one price per hour I would be making. There's a max on that of how much I could be making. So it was super important for me to have financial stability, and I had to consider other ways that were a bit smarter. And I began to just consider that perhaps partnering with a networking company was in my best interest. So I did my research. I looked at Mary Kay, I looked at Avon, I looked at nail stickers, I looked at a whole bunch of stuff, but none of that was conducive to my business. So I decided to partner with Beachbody for several reasons. One, it was fitness and wellness related. They have a stream of products that I could suggest to my already had clients. The second thing was that in Beachbody, I was able to build an organization with my own vision, which is Team Ambition, and it's really honed in on just wellness. It's fully driven by the purpose to help people get healthy, and that's what we're all about. So lastly, I realized too, I do a lot of my own marketing, my social media marketing, and a lot of my own promotion, but Beachbody is like so great at that. All the infomercials that they run, if you were to take 100 people and ask them if they knew what Beachbody was, 90 of those people would tell you they've either done something Beachbody related or they know somebody who has. So that kind of fame is definitely helpful in building your business if you're partnering with Beachbody. And not only that, stuff works. It works, you know, it has fame and it's good fame. It's not the kind of fame where you're iffy about the products, you're not sure. You know that if you're coaching your client through a program or product, they're going to come out successful. So I did consider a whole bunch of different, what they're called as MLM network companies. And honestly, I just truly knew that I would benefit from partnering with Beachbody. But one thing I do want you to consider is that if you are considering joining our team, it is going to take work and most importantly, consistency. If you're not consistent, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? It is definitely a low-cost investment, super low cost to partner up with us. However, it does take some work and it takes some time. So I don't want you to think that once you're invested that it's going to be overnight success, okay? So that is something I wanted to talk to you about. Whether it's here or somewhere else, you need to consider that if you want to build wealth and build wealth quickly in the long run, you definitely have to have more than one stream of income, okay guys? If you have any questions, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you and continue connecting with you. Some of you have reached out to me. I am always available. Have a great day. Stay well and get rich.